I'm going to show you just how easy it is to clean that glass on your vertical pellet smoker. First, hit that subscribe button and click that bell to be notified of future videos. Okay, I don't know whether you can see it or not, but the glass is really smoked up. And this is from a couple of smokes, and the last smoke was a week ago. Actually a little over a week ago. So we decided to pull the smoker out and clean the glass. We're going to show you how easy this is with just soap and water. Okay, you can see the stain of the glass, how smoked up it is. See the bottom of it there. But we're going to show you how easy this is going to be to clean. Okay. Show you down here, got my paper towels. There's my soap and water. It's just dishwashing soap and water. And that's what we're going to use to clean this glass right here. So let's see what happens here. I've cleaned this glass several times, and this is the easiest way to do it. Even when I used all them other items such as the citrus stuff and all that, soap and water is the easiest. It cuts that tar and everything off there and does a wonderful job. Now, I never did fire up the smoker. I just pulled the smoker out, opened the door, got my soap and water and the pad and just started washing it, and then I rinsed it and dried it off. That was it. I believe it only took about 4.5 minutes to clean the glass. Okay, now we're going to rinse it with my spritz bottle with just that bit of water in it. And we'll let it run. And I think it came pretty clean. And that is nothing but water and Dawn dishwashing liquid. And I imagine any of it will work. But I like to use the spritz bottle to rinse it and let that drain a bit. And then I get paper towels and whoops, like got rid of my camera there almost. Okay, and I like to come around, wipe her off, and I hope I get them over here a bit so we can keep me out of it. Look at there, got a clean glass. Look at that. Now, there again, that's all we need is water and Dawn dishwashing soap, or any dishwashing liquid I'm sure will work. But it, and the pad is just a, it's been used quite a bit, still got some life into it. It's just a dishwashing, well, I'm in the shadows here, so it's hard to see. It's just a dishwashing pad that is plastic, semi-abrasive, I guess you'd say. But it works great, and I imagine you could do this with any dishwashing pad because it is not hard to get off of there. I started out thinking I needed easy off oven cleaner and everything else. I tried citrus stuff and all that other stuff, and I had to work at it. One day, someone was just using soap and water, so I thought, well, I'm going to give it a try. And sure enough, best thing you can do right there, easiest. You're not putting them chemicals in there, and it does a good job. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe and hit that like button for me, and leave a comment below. And I sure thank you for watching.